if I lunge backwards right into Rifat's chest right about now.
All right, so everybody, greetings from Bari Science Lab. Happy
Oh,
New Year,
you're covering
everybody.
your chest. Huh?
All right,
Scared?
let's wish everyone Happy New Year.
Happy New Year.
All right,
Jubilant solar period.
today we're gonna solve a problem. Of course, I'm gonna expose them to the problem and they're gonna solve it. Right, now let me show you the problem first. Let me write it down for you, okay? So you have wood on wood, a 2 kilogram object, 10 kilogram object. 10 kilogram mass is 10 kilogram, and it's wood on wood. Wood on wood. Okay. Can you please not get distracted? Okay. So wood on wood. Scenario. I have 5 scenarios. Scenario 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Scenario 1. I have the box is on the table. So 0 degree with respect to the x-axis.
Yeah.
Scenario 2. I have a box on the incline at 30 degree with respect to the
X-axis, okay.
x-axis, and I have 60 degree with respect to the
That is definitely not 60 degrees. Yeah.
I have 80 degree with respect to the that's 80 degree with respect to the should I make it like 60?
Yeah.
Then that's not 80, right? Okay. Then that's not 80.
See, if the angle is low enough.
Is that 80?
Yeah. See, if the angle is low enough, you can just approximate it as a flat plane.
And then what is this one? 90 degrees. Okay. So here's what I want you to do. First, Isaac, you're gonna do FG. Ralph, you're gonna do FG parallel. Okay. By the way, did I tell you this is wood on wood?
Yeah.
Did I tell you this is 10 kilogram?
Yeah.
All right. So Isaac, use the different color. Red is preferable.
What about FG parallel? FG perpendicular.
I'll go. Fast finish. Isaac, you're gonna do the weight.
Okay. So I mean, the weight is pretty easy. I am going to punch you square in the face if you. Let's test it then.
98 units, really?
Yes.
So you're going to be one of those people who says not 100 units?
100 units, not a second idea. I can't use a calculator because you're stupid. I have to do it in my head.
You're gonna do FG. Oh, Isaac, you wanna do FG parallel?
Sure.
Give it to that.
Okay.
I don't think he needs this. I don't think he knows how to use a calculator.
No. Please.
God darn
Give
it.
it to me.
What? What are we doing?
I thought you have red marker, but can you give me a space?
Should I do it with red or
Yeah.
black?
If red works.
Yeah. Okay. So FG parallel here is 0.
Make sure you write the equation FG parallel.
Oh,
FG parallel is Isaac. Write the equation over here.
FG parallel is FG beep boop bop boop sine theta.
Okay. Don't block it now. Go.
okay.
Oh, you thought you could catch me, huh? But really, you need to catch up,
Okay. So
you tomato.
FG parallel is FG sine theta. FG sine theta. So sine of 0 is 0.
Oh my god! Good job, genius!
This is going to be 0 units. Okay. Next one is FG sine of 30.
Let's see if our hero can do this one.
Okay. Sine of 30 is a half.
Yeah, let's go.
Half
Let's
of
go.
100 is 50 newtons.
Can you do half of 98, genius?
This will be 50 newtons. Or do you want me to be exact?
Exact.
So 49.
Wow, great job. You can divide 98 by 2.
Okay, thank you. Next one is
Isaac, you blocking.
sine of 60. Okay, we have 60 degrees. So sine of 60 times 98 is 80. Oh, well, 1 second.
It's 77, dumb.
I think I'm in degrees. Oh, why am
I think I'm in degrees.
Oh, 84. 84.
No, it's 77.
No,
Why
it's
am I getting 84?
check
Okay.
again, Isaac. It should be.
Yeah, wait.
I am in degrees. Maybe you're. Let me check sine of 30. Yeah. Okay, I got it right. It's 84. It
Oh,
makes sense
oh
because
yeah, I
it's
accidentally put 90
So this is
instead of 98. Okay.
84.8
Isaac is blocking it.
newtons. Okay, so 8
Just round it
degrees,
to 85, bro.
sine of 80 times 98 is 96.5.
And let's see if our hero can finish the last one.
And for the last one, FG parallel with this.
Isaac,
Wow.
can you do FG perpendicular now?
Okay,
Don't
FG.
take too much space. This is our last, so don't take too much space.
No friction.
We do friction. Yeah.
Okay. So we have FT cosine 0, which is just 98 newtons, which makes sense because this entire thing is 98 newtons. Then we have that this is going to be, well, I think 84.8 newtons. Since it's going to be cosine of 30, which is the same as sine of 60. Wow, great job, genius. This is just going to be 49 newtons. This right here is going to be 98 times cosine of 80, which is 34 or so newtons, but I guess I'll do 33.
Wait, you wrote sine of 20,
Yeah.
but that's the same thing as sine of 10, so that's incorrect.
Sine of 20, the same thing as sine of 10. Oh, crap, you're right.
Yeah.
But, okay.
You see, I know what you're doing.
Oh, yeah, this does seem absurdly large. I concede
Okay.
to my great warrior king. Okay,
That's
go.
just 0.
Okay.
Oh my god, thanks, Sherlock!
Okay. Okay. Without using too much space, can you do friction?
And remember, great Sherlock, friction exists in this case too.
Okay, so friction, I'll write the formula here.
Let's see if he can do it.
Friction is mu Fn.
What's mu for what on
Point
what?
4 is because it's moving.
0.4.
We've been conditioned into saying mu when it's actually pronounced moo,
Oh, moo.
like a
Ah.
cow.
I see. Oh, okay.
0.4 times the normal force.
Why do you write the R?
Okay, so the normal force is, so in this case, in the first case, this is the normal force. Can I draw here?
Wrong.
Okay, this is the normal force. It's just the same as Fg. So I'm going to have the force of friction is mu Fn, which is 0.4 times 98.
Isn't it the box is at rest so that the friction is supposed to be 0?
Oh, is it at rest? No, I didn't.
Well, why you don't know?
Oh, because you said it's kinetic.
Well, you
Okay.
decide.
It's okay.
Okay, then it's 0. I mean, if it's not moving.
Yeah, I mean there is there any net force acting there?
No.
So then the acceleration must be 0. So then I think the friction is 0. Is that right?
Yeah.
Wait, I have a question.
Yeah.
No, never mind. I don't have
No,
a question.
the problem is the Chat GPT. I plug it in Chat GPT, and Chat GPT exactly put what did you find 39 point what?
39.2.
39.2.
Well,
That's
yeah,
what
because
ChatGPT
ChatGPT
gave
isn't
you.
skilled at
Well,
math.
yeah,
and
I don't
physics.
think it understands, unless you tell it.
Because there is no net force over there. Is that right?
Yeah.
If there is no net force, if the box is not moving,
Yeah.
oh, by the way, even if box doesn't move, the friction can be, friction. What is the maximum static friction possible here? Let's find out.
Even if it doesn't move.
Yeah.
Wait, no,
But
we.
that's if you have applied force.
Applied force.
Wait,
right?
we
There's no applied
There
force.
is no applied force. Isaac,
Yeah.
can you make this case? Is it 0 or something else?
It is 0 because there has to be an applied force first for there to be a static friction. But there's no force because FG parallel is the only force that would be acting on it. That would be the only applied force. But FG parallel is clearly 0, which means with the absence of FG parallel, there's also an absence of FF.
Okay, good. So we have an agreement.
Wait,
Let's
no,
move on.
ChatGPT be like, does something outrageously wrong? Bro, don't do that. Oh, alright, I got it.
Oh,
Does
yes,
something
in
outrageously wrong, but in a slightly different way.
In fact, I'll show you. Here's what said the ChatGPT wrote, 39.2.
when angle is 0 degree.
Holy boy.
So that's
Okay. You get confused.
yeah. It's not impossible to get confused over there. Okay, so let's move on. Let's do the next one.
Next one, there is a net force because there's empty parallel.
Yeah. Go.
So this is
49 times 0.4, which should be
No.
19.6.
okay. Let me slow down. So mu Fn is mg cosine theta.
Yeah, which is
So-
the same as FT perpendicular.
Yeah. So let me see. Mg perpendicular.
Yeah, can you give him the calculator? He does the calculating.
It's 34.
Oh, okay.
34.
34 newtons.
Yeah.
Okay.
It is the equation. You need the space. Yeah.
This next one is
Okay.
19
Mg
points.
perpendicular.
19.6.
Okay, good. 19.6.
This one following it is 6.8.
6.8. Okay.
And this one following it is don't be fooled, buddy.
FG perpendicular. No, FG perpendicular is 0.
Yeah, but here's
But
the thing. There's
it's
still a
the same
contact
thing.
force.
No, there is no
It's the same
contact. It's zero. It's free fall.
Oh, I thought there
Well,
was a
I
wall
mean,
here.
If you drop this one, it lose the contact with the wall.
No, I have a riddle for you then. Let me get something real quick. If you have a magnet,
Oh, why? Oh, we are talking about magnets.
no, if you have a magnet and you stick it to a wall somehow, what is holding it up? It's pulling itself to the wall.
Oh, we
but-
talk about it. It's friction. By the
Yeah,
way, it's
without
friction.
the force of friction, it
That's
wouldn't
right.
be able to hold
That's
itself
right.
up
So we're
anyway.
gonna say, well, if it is 90 degree, right, it's gonna be in free fall.
Yeah, but is it in contact with the wall or is it away from the wall? Because something can definitely fall while being in contact with a wall.
Okay, so we have to make that clear.
So just say that.
Well,
it's
I mean,
not in
I
contact
I
with the
think
wall.
it's pretty clear because you drew this. If you don't want to draw that, then that's what.
But no, you can just say there's no contact.
No,
Then just erase the wall.
No.
then we are trying to make connection with the previous problems.
Okay, then just erase the wall and you get 0.
Just you can put it like a little distant. How about
Yeah,
that?
it's a free fall. Okay, yeah. Okay. All right. Next you're gonna do find the net force.
X, the y direction doesn't
Yeah,
matter for
obviously,
its
but you
motion.
still have to specify because the x direction here is very different from x direction here. X
Yeah, of
direction
course.
here
The
is
x direction
horizontal,
here is.
but
Yeah,
X direction here is
yes,
vertical.
I know how we define coordinate planes when it comes to inclined
Okay.
planes.
But I'm just saying you have to define.
Bro,
that.
you're saying this like this is the first time I've ever seen an inclined plane.
Okay.
Okay, so the net force here is of course just 0 newtons in the horizontal direction. Horizontal always means parallel to the plane when we're considering inclined planes, which means we just add up, or rather subtract 49 newtons and 34 newtons, or in general, we just subtract FG parallel and FF.
Okay, 49 minus 34, 15.
15 newtons. I bet I can do this next one without you. It's 65.2 newtons.
65.2.
This is about 89.7,
89.7.
and this is
98.
98.
All right. So how you justify this is also x,
Huh? What do you mean?
the net force?
Well, this is also x because what we consider x to be is just parallel to the
Very
plane.
nice. So we
Oh.
clarify that.
Also, you know what's very nice about this?
Yes.
We have that this is also technically kind of like a trigonometric function.
Yeah, it is because it
Because-
just follows the.
Yeah, sine theta minus 0.4 cosine theta
Yeah.
can actually be written as
Because
sine.
cosine is just a phase shift of sine.
So yeah.
Yeah, it's just sine.
All right.
minus
Now
sine.
can you find the acceleration? Go ahead.
Okay, I can do X.
Well, all you have.
Yes.
Okay. What? Oh, 10. So you just have to
Like,
put the
yeah,
decimal
yeah,
point
yeah.
like 1.
Well, I didn't know that, guys. It's my first time taking physics 1.
That's gonna be 0.
I am going to discombobulate you.
Okay.
I swear to God, if you tell me that's gonna be 1.5,
Oh, you
you.
did. I didn't know acceleration was measured in meters.
Okay, listen here, you little. You are not going to see the light of day if you speak.
6.97.
It's okay. It's okay. The big people.
See, if I told you you were 21.97 years old, would you say you're 21 or 22?
All right. So can you find the velocity at the end of the second?
Well, oh, okay.
8 times.
Oh my God! I'm done with you. You know that? You know that?
Okay. Keep going.
You're not seeing the light of day again, buddy.
I know.
Oh wait, you've never seen the light of day because you're a loser who never goes outside and just spends his entire day doing physics. Lol. I swear to God, if you say that one is 19.6.
All right. Find the velocity.
This is about 30.2 newtons and
Fast.
29.4.
well, oh no, it exceeds the maximum static friction.
Oh, so now it becomes kinetic.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that means it's going to be
Let
0.4.
me help.
Remove yourself from this calculation.
4 times 98 cosine of 18. 37.2.
Yeah, 37. Oh,
But then it won't move.
wait, is the maximum static friction lower than the kinetic friction?
Maximum static friction is 0.4 times.
Wait,
Maximum-
the static friction is 0.4 or the kinetic friction?
Static is 0.4.
The kinetic is 0.3.
0.3.
Understood.
Oh, and then you got that wrong.
Bro, that's your fault.
So it should be
28 meters. Which means that it's going to move with an acceleration of 0.22 meters per
You are
second.
doing too fast. People are not going to learn anything. Fast, you're going to write maximum static friction possible equation.
Then-
Write Fs
Oh
is
my
equal to-
goodness. First of all, we already stated that this is the angle that is high enough to make it
I
start
want to
moving.
verify that.
The maximum static friction equation is just the maximum static friction coefficient
So write that down.
times the normal force. The normal force is just 98 newtons, which is 9.8 times 10, and static friction is 0.4,
And how much is that?
which means that it's just going to be 29.4 newtons.
And
As you can see, oh crap, it's 39.2.
wait, why is Fn 98?
Fn is
98 cosine.
No, it's not.
no, Fn is 98.
FN is. We're not accounting for. FN points directly in the perpendicular line.
Yeah, but that's
Yeah,
98 cosine 18.
yeah,
No, the magnitude of FN does not depend on the angle.
it does.
No.
Fn is perpendicular, Fg perpendicular.
Yeah, FN is perpendicular. That doesn't mean its magnitude is dependent.
Now, can you write Fn?
Are we seriously having an argument about this? If Fn was proportional to cosine theta, that would make FG. That would make FF proportional to cosine squared theta.
No. Okay.
Okay,
let
I
me
I
finish.
don't get
Okay,
what your
let
argument
me
is.
explain. Okay. Let me explain. Just look at my explanation. So imagine if you just have the flat, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Then
Yeah.
Fn and Fg is the same.
You have Fn and Fg. is the
I'm
same.
saying
And-
the normal force magnitude by
Yeah.
itself doesn't change.
Yeah.
It does.
It does
Yeah.
not take a genius to understand
Can you put Rev?
Yeah.
Can you put the
Let me. Yeah.
Can you put the both component of the gravity on the top one?
Yeah.
Isaac, can you put the both component of the gravity?
I did not say the net force in the perpendicular direction doesn't change.
No.
The net force in the perpendicular direction does change. I said that the normal force does not change,
No, no. I
which
just
it
wanna
clearly
see that.
doesn't.
I
Okay.
just want to see that. Okay, so
yeah.
this is. Can you write
Yeah.
both component of the gravity?
Okay. So this is Fg
This is stunning.
parallel. This is Fg perpendicular.
Okay. So,
Okay.
which one Fg?
And
FG is this
Fg.
Okay, good.
net force
So
over
now,
here.
can you write Fg perpendicular?
Yeah, it's right here.
No, equation.
Oh,
Yeah, that's
the
FG
perpendicular is
cosine.
FG
Cosine.
Cosine are 18.
cosine.
Okay, and now can you write FG parallel?
Yeah.
And
FG
if you use the
parallel
Pythagorean theorem, they're gonna give you exactly the FG, right?
FG.
Well, yeah, by virtue of the fact that sine squared x plus cosine squared x is always equal to 1.
Yeah, okay. So what is that FG perpendicular is Fn by definition?
No, it's
Yeah.
not.
By definition, FG perpendicular is Fn.
This is Fn.
Okay.
So yeah,
Right. And this is FF.
yeah.
Oh, okay, I see.
Okay.
So that means that this is just going to be.
So if you multiply this by mu, you get the force of friction. Force
Okay.
of friction is mu Fn. So the
Okay.
maximum force of friction is going to be mu s, the static friction, which is 0.4
Yes.
times the normal force.
Not 98.
Yeah, it's 98
cosine,
times something,
cosine of 18. 98 cosine of 18.
which is 93.
Cosine 18. Which is what?
93.
93.
18 is very.
Oh, okay, 98.
18 is a very small angle, which means it makes
Oh,
sense
okay.
that cosine is very large.
So this is 37.28
Okay, so that's the maximum static
Right.
friction possible
On this ramp.
on this
ramp.
ramp.
Okay.
But you want it
So
to
now
be
what
just
angle?
equal. You want it.
No, what angle give
Yeah.
you 37.28?
So yeah. So you want that. Yeah. So what you
18
have to do,
degrees.
No. You have to set mu Fn.
No, if you change the angle, it's. Wait, okay.
No. Can I just show you?
Can we not go crazy over
One
this?
second,
Oh,
I just. Can I just finish?
why are we
Oh,
doing this?
you already use 18 degrees.
No.
Can we stop this?
Okay.
First?
Just
Okay.
Okay, let Isaac do it.
Jeez. Crazy.
How can you get excited for physics? Don't you have a girlfriend?
Can we check out this guy?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, I got you.
Oh, okay.
Oh, so you have to do chance.
Oh my god! Jesus Christ! I
1.8.
You are pitiful, you know that? The only work you can do is inputting little numbers into the calculator because that's the only thing you're fast at, little
You
calculator
already,
boy.
Now, here's the problem. You already use 18 degrees, right?
Yeah, because I was mistaken.
So you were wrong.
Yes.
No, now can you, alright, fix everything now.
All right. It's
Oh,
to
it's
be
22 degrees, right?
to be
1.8.
Let's say 22 degrees.
no. That means at 22, it's just gonna barely start moving.
Oh, 21.8. So 21.8. Oh, wow. So it's a physics discussion. It's not physics. Yeah, it's a physics discussion. Can
Okay.
you hold this one for once?
No, that's. Oh yeah.
How did you get this
But
far?
he's gonna find himself in a contradiction in 2 seconds.
Because
Because this is going to be less than. Well, I mean.
oh, you do realize how stupid you are, right? This is kinetic friction, if you're not initiated.
27.2. Okay. So then find the acceleration and find the velocity.
Okay. So.
I'm still calculating it. Oh. You're slow, buddy. Very slow.
What was the maximum? Oh,
You astound me.
But now let me ask you a question. If the maximum friction is 37.
No,
Yeah, that's for
we're
cos-
not using it.
That's for
It
the.
is it. It is it. It is it.
Okay, I didn't see that.
Isaac, it's kind of your fault. You did not erase
I
it.
didn't see that.
What? It's Rifat's work. He's getting confused by his own past work. It's not my fault.
That never
Sometimes.
get confused with your ex.
No, I don't get confused between mistakes
You're
and solutions.
Your stupidity is so massive, it has gravity.
I have to use that.
You'll always get confused between his x and his current.
What?
Wait! Hey!
So who is who? I
Can't remember. Oh, you just have to move the decimal 1 point to get there.
How slow are you?
What happened?
He told me something basic that even fifth graders know, only to realize that I had actually done that 45 seconds ago. Boom, boom! But he just realized that now. Because little Timmy doesn't know that AB divided by 10 is equal to... You're a piece of work.